Good morning everyone, my name is Tyron John Colonia, BSED, major in English. So for today's discussion, I'm gonna teach you about number relation problem. What is number relation problem? Number relation problem don't usually arise in everyday basis, but they provide a good information in practicing the problem solving strategy. So in answering the problem solving, there's a lot of difficulty and hardship. So here's some steps for you to answer it easily. Step 1. Read the problem carefully and determine the condition given and the quantities asked for. Step 2. Represent the unknown by a constant variable, say x, when several related unknown are involved. Express each in terms of a single variable. Step 3. Write an equation involving the known and unknown. Step 4. Solve the equation and determine the value of other unknown using the root obtained when necessary. Step 5. Check the result by using the original statement of the problems. Now let us start with consecutive integer problem. Consecutive integers are integers that follow in sequence. Each number bring one more than the previous number, represented by n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3, so on and so forth. When n is any integer, for example, 20, 21, 22. So if we start with even number sequence is 2 or more. While if add 2 more than in previous number. Here are the following examples. The sum of the 3 consecutive odd numbers is 39. What is the smallest number? So in problem solving, you should start with a formula. It always be the step 1. So the step 1 is 2n plus 1, 2n plus 3, 2n plus 5. So first, you should add those constant formula or those constant number, which is 2n plus 1, 2n plus 3, 2n plus 5 equals to 39. After putting those constant number, simply add those like terms. 2n plus 2n plus 2n is equals to 6n, and those constant number, which is 1 plus 3 plus 5 is equals to 9. So simply put it all. Then the next thing you do is 6n plus 9 is equals to 39. The next one is 6n is equals to 39 minus 9. So let's proceed. So paano mo nakuha ang 6n is equals to 30? So supposedly ang 9 i-transpose mo magiging 39 minus 9. The next one is equals to 6n is equals to 30. Paano mo naman makuha ang values ng n? Just simply divide the 6n into itself and 30 divided by 6. So subong nakuha na ang values ng n, which is 5. So after getting the value of n, let's proceed to step 2. So amo din siya subong. Just simply put those constant number and replace the value of n into 5. So maning magawas, magiging 2n plus 1 is equals to, kaya na-simplify ta naman. And na-transpose ta na sa value sang n. And nakuhaan ta na ang value sang n. So magawas is 2 times 5 plus 1 is equals to 10 plus 1 is equals to 15. The next one is 2n plus 3 is equals to 2 times 5 plus 3 is equals to 10 plus 3 equals to 13. The last one, 2n plus 5 is equals to 2 times 5 plus 5. The last one, so baliktan, no? So 2n plus 5 equals to 2 times 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. Plus the constant number, which is 5, so it's equals to 15. In conclusion, the 3 consecutive odd numbers are 11, 13, and 15. So for the example number 2, the problem solving is the sum of the least and greatest of 3 consecutive integers is 120. What are the value of the 3 integers? But before getting the value of 3 integers, need natin sang step 1. Assign every variable. So, pwede nga ang let x is your least integer. X plus 1 is equals to middle integer. And x plus 2 is equals to greatest integer. This is your formula now. Bago ko mag-proceed, dapat ara gini siya para may ara ka sang basis ang imo nga dapat i-answer. Correct ba, guys? So, after those, step 1, kaya nakuha ta naman ang assigned variables, mag-proceed na kita sa step 2, which is translate sentence into equation. Sentence, the sum of the least and greatest is 120. So, i-rewrite ang sentence. So, when you rewrite the problem solving given by the author, manggawas sini is, kay diba ang hambalta ang x is equals your least integer and x plus 2 is your greatest integer. So, it's because kay may basis ka na sa assigned variables mo, pwede mo na mabutang initanan. Ang magawas, x plus 2 is equals to 120. So, just like combine the like terms. X plus x is equals to 2x. So, mag-proceed na kita. Ang magawas, 2x is equals to 120 minus 2. Nga, 120 minus 2 is because i-transpose mo ang 2 and magiging negative ni siya. So, after may transpose, ang magawas, magiging 2x is equals to 120 minus 2. Pero, tungkol sa giminusan mo na sang 2, ang magiging final is 2x is equals to 118. So, paano mo makuha ang values ng x? Parehas ka ina, just simply divide the 2x by itself. 2x divided 2 is equals to cancelled out. And 118 divided by 2 is equals to 59. So, ang values ng x subong is 59. So, let's proceed in step 3. Check your answer. By checking your answer, just go back to the main problem. So, 59 plus 59 plus 2 is equals to 120. Tama ang answer mo. So, the question wants all the consecutive integers are just simply add 1. So, ang matabo-subong, ang aton nga 3 consecutive integers are 59, 60, and 61. So, that should be all. Thank you so much for listening.